And I know I'm working on the business credit book too. And I already got a list of which credit cards report, business credit cards report to your personal credit, which ones report to the business, how you should apply, what time's the best time to apply. It's so many gems that I'm packing in this book to make sure that, one, we have more small business owners out here. Yeah. So I'm a part of a group, the Appliance Boot Camp, right? So I went to the boot camp, and that's what helped get the appliance repair company going. And in that group, every week, every day, there's always somebody inquiring about taking that next step. When the price of the course was $300, people second guessed themselves. When the price of the course is now $3,000, people second guessing themselves. But they give you the blueprint to succeed, but you have to look at it from the standpoint of, yeah, I'm going to spend $3,000 today, but how am I going to sustain going forward? Mm-hmm. So one, it gives you the blueprint on how you sustain going forward. But if you're like me and you want rapid growth, you're going to have to leverage business credit in some manner. So that makes a lot of people uncomfortable.
Right.
Because you're not ready. It doesn't take forever. It takes one step to get started, because now I could leverage, I don't even know how much I have on this one. It's enough. So I'm loading it to the point where we got this nice office, we got nice vehicles tagged, and if I want to go and do something, I'm like, hey, I want to spend $2,000, I don't have to pull it straight out of my profit account. I can just pull out the credit card, get points,
boom,
pay it off later. Now we can go to conferences. I could order lunch. We ate lunch the other day. We had Salties here. It's cool. They loved it. Everybody's happy. The only thing I did, on this low carb diet. But you can do things like that. And my credit score has not been touched this whole time. I'm still right under 800. It's floating. Because, you don't need an 800 credit score. Most people think you need an 800 credit score. If you can get to the 720 mark, 740, get premium.
Winning.
Yeah, sweet.